Welcome back to my channel of motivation, success, and self-improvement. Sam has big dreams, success, happiness, and maybe a sandwich. But every time he tries, something stops him. Laziness, fear, or Netflix. Don't worry, we've all been there. This is the Stick Figure Guide to Success, without losing your mind. Sound familiar? Today, we'll learn how to succeed, stay motivated, and actually learn things without losing our stick-shaped sanity. Because if a stick figure can do it, so can you. 1. Myth of motivation. Everyone waits for motivation to appear, like it's some magical lightning bolt. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't start the fire. Action does. If you start first, motivation catches up later. So next time you say, "I'll start when I feel motivated," remember, that's like saying, "I'll start swimming once I reach the other side of the pool." 2. Failure, the free teacher. Failure isn't a sign you're bad. It's proof you're learning. Each mistake is a free lesson from the universe. You just have to stop yelling long enough to hear it. Studies show your brain learns more from errors than from easy wins. When you mess up, your brain literally rewires itself to avoid that mistake next time. So fail fast, fail funny, and fail forward. Because falling on your stick face today means standing taller tomorrow. 3. The superpower. Nobody uses your attention is your most valuable currency, but we spend it like billionaires with no budget. The average person touches their phone 2,600 times a day. Imagine if we touched our goals that often. To focus, you don't need to meditate on a mountain. Just do 3 things. Remove distractions. Set a small timer, 20 minutes. Tell your brain, we're not doing this forever, just for now. That tricks your brain into starting, and once you start, momentum takes over. 4. The secret ingredient. Consistency. Consistency beats intensity. It's not what you do once in a while. It's what you do regularly that counts. Reading 1 page a day? That's 365 pages a year, a whole book. Doing 10 push-ups daily? That's 3,650 a year. You're a strong stick now. Tiny habits compound. Success is built from small, boring actions, stacked daily. 5. The growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset think talent is everything. People with a growth mindset believe effort creates ability. When you say, "I'm just bad at math," you're closing a door that says, "Practice me, I'm nice." Neuroscientists found that learning changes the physical shape of your brain. It literally grows new connections. So yes, every time you try something hard, your stick brain is upgrading its software. 6. Why discipline beats motivation. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is logical. Motivation whispers, "I feel like it." Discipline says, "Do it anyway." If you build discipline, routines, habits, checklists, you don't need to rely on feelings. Motivation is like weather, changes every day. Discipline is like climate. It keeps you stable long-term. You don't need to be the smartest, richest, or fastest stick figure. You just need to stick to it. Start small. Fail proudly. Learn constantly. Because the best version of you isn't born. It's built, line by line. Sam trips on the way down the mountain. Text appears. Falling is fine. Just don't stay down. Stay motivated, stay funny, and stay sticky.